National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hillsborough County in west central Florida until 7 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Westchis, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Westchis, Lake Magdalene, and Greater Carrollwood around 6:30 p.m. Odessa around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lopes, Greater Northdale, Keystone, Citrus Park, and Lake Fern. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Hillsborough, Florida.